about 7 minutes away from the big stump. Are you guys excited to see the big stump?
Yeah.
What? Here, pass it back here.
First off, Memphis view. Oh, you looking at me?
Okay. So what I draw is like for the Y leagues and like the ocean. I'm very tired.
Going to the beach. We'll be there soon. Be there soon, Memphis, Jay. 5 minutes. I hear them in here. Oh, this place is awesome. Here's baby Memphi.
I'm trying to find the cherry tomatoes.
Can I?
Are there cherry tomatoes in here? I like your shades, man. Those are nice. It's like a community garden, I think, right?
So you can just take some.
If you live here. Yeah. Oh, look, they have aloes over there. We used to have a lot of aloe in Southern California.
I think it's
This is beautiful here, too. Oh, look at those. We tried to grow a lemon tree at our last house, but it didn't work out. These are beautiful. I like this little garden here, little Zen garden. It's cute. It's a big fan. Alright, what do you think? Should we each get our own tiny house? So I guess we have to cross the 101. Just wait till no one's coming and go for it, huh? Look at the size of that plane. I like those kinds. I've never seen them that big though. We gotta cross through there. After this van, I think we might be clear.
That's right, mate.
Hustle, hustle. We made it. We made it, Memphis J. Going to a new beach. Oh, it's a step. I thought it was a hill. There's steps. Yeah. It's bright, Memphis J. Is that the stump over there? That's the big one?
It's over there.
There it is.
It's the farther one.
So there's one here, and then there's one. Oh, there's one way down there too. What are you doing with that?
Oh, yeah.
Could use it for a soup bowl.
No.
No.
I'm not touching it.
No. Yeah, buddy. Michael's out here savaging. Designs are so cool. The big stump is here. So this is the big stump.
Now we have 7.
Look at that.
We have 7. No, we have 7.
This place is awesome. Look at
We have
this.
8 people in here because Memphis J.
A giant prehistoric stump. It washed up on the shore.
This fell out of this.
Did it have crabs in it?
No?
Wow, hang on to those.
It's my collection.
There she is. She made it. Mrs. Wiley made it.
Woo! It's so nice down here. This is like the best rock country day I've seen in a long time. Okay, everyone get down there by Michael. I gotta get pictures. That's neat. Look at, there's a ladybug.
Yeah, I found a ladybug and it was crawling all over me. And here. Dad, I carried a ladybug.
like a quartz one. That looks interesting.
You know what? That could be petrified wood. That
It had like some lines in it.
Yeah.
Turn this way, Maya. And put it in the sun. There we go. Cool.
Is that a hole?
Yeah. You got a ladybug too?
Why do you think they like the beach? Isn't that weird?
No.
I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna put it.
Doesn't seem like the ideal place for that.
Dad, remember that last time?
Yeah.
That we went to our agate beach and we saved a ladybug from
yeah,
the
it was
water.
going away in the
Wait, there's another one.
Oh yeah, that's a mole crab.
Found another one.
Yeah.
Uncooked crab meat.
The sushi of crab. Sandman over here. Look at your back. Oh my lord. He's dismembering crab over here.
Hey. Oh my gosh!
There's a beetle.
A beetle, you hate beetles.
Should I let him go?
You want to let him go?
Yeah, I'm gonna let him go.
Throw them up in the air. Maybe they'll fly.
Yay!
That one tried to fly, but he didn't make it.
Yeah.
Okay, they're on their own now. He's happy. And I'm 20 pounds lighter.
There you are.
Okay, I'm done. Done.
Melody's buried.
Go. Look.
Oh my gosh.
I should get a picture.
All right, guys, let's start walking back. No, not today. We will do it another day, okay?
Oh, you're being silly.
No dab. Fist bump.
He's just being a baby.
Oh, don't accidentally jump in. That's stinky water.
Yeah, that would not be good. Did he give you a swat? Oh no.
Get out of here, man. Get out of here, man.
Okay, Melody, let's go up the stairs.
Wait, he's talking to me. Are you holding
I have my shot. Are you serious? Here, come here.
A nice day at the beach. Now we head home, then I go back to work.